Most English learners believe something that keeps them silent for years. They think they cannot speak English well because they do not know enough words. So they keep collecting vocabulary and waiting for the day they finally feel ready. But that day often never comes. The truth is simpler and much more hopeful. You do not need thousands of words to start speaking English all day. With only 50 basic words, you can talk about your morning, your work, your plans, your feelings, your problems, and your ideas. The secret is not a huge vocabulary. The secret is using simple words in flexible patterns. Welcome to English Learning Booster. Here you grow your English through clear and meaningful lessons. Today I want to show you how to speak English all day with only 50 basic words. If you stay with me until the end, you will see that speaking more is often not about learning more words. It is about using simple words with more confidence. First, let us remove one fear. Basic words are not weak words. In real life, native speakers use simple words again and again. They say go, come, get, make, do, want, need, think, know, good, bad, more, less, now, and later. These are not baby words. These are power words. They carry daily conversation. Think of English like building with small blocks. If your blocks are strong, you can build many things. If you wait for decoration before building the house, you may never begin. So today, we will build your speaking house with 50 small blocks. Here is one simple set of 50 words you can live with all day. People words: I, you, we, they, he, she, it, people. Action words: go, come, do, make, get, give, take, want, need, like, know, think. Question and link words: what, where, when, why, how, who, because, but. Daily life words: time, day, work, home, food, water, money, friend, problem, way. Support words: good, bad, big, small, more, less, now, later, here, there, easy, hard. That is only 50 words. Not perfect English, not advanced English, but enough to keep your mouth open and your mind active all day. Now, let me show you how these words become real speech. In the morning, you can say, I am here. It is a new day. I want water. I need food. I go to work now. Already you are speaking. At work or at school, you can say, I have a problem. Can you help me? I do not know this. How do we do it? I think this way is better. We need more time. Notice how ordinary these words are, but they are useful. And useful English is living English. At home, you can say, I am tired. I want food now. My friend comes later. We make dinner here. This is good. That is not easy. Again, nothing fancy, but the conversation moves. When you speak with other people, questions matter. With what, where, when, why, how, and who, you can open almost any conversation. What do you want? Where do they go? When do we start? Why is it hard? How do you know? Who is here? These are small doors that open bigger conversations. Many learners stay silent because they try to speak beautifully before they learn to speak simply. But simple English is the road to fluency. A child begins with useful language. You must give yourself the same permission. Speaking all day does not mean speaking all day with perfect grammar. It means thinking in English again and again during normal life. It means using English for little moments. When you wake up, name what you see. Bed. Day. When you move, say a sentence. I go now. I come back later. I make food. I need water. These little sentences train speed. A small vocabulary used often becomes active. A large vocabulary used rarely stays asleep. Your goal is not to impress your notebook. Your goal is to wake up your mouth. Use one pattern again and again. I want. I need. I like. I do not like. I go. I come. I think. I know. With these patterns, your 50 words multiply. I want more time. I need water now. I like this food. I do not like that way. I go home later. I come here every day. I think this is good. I know these people. You can also speak about problems very easily. I have a problem. It is small. It is big. I need help. We do not have time. They want more money. My friend is here, but I must go. This is real English for real life. You can speak about feelings with simple language too. I feel good. I feel bad. I feel tired now. I feel better here. I feel stress because of work. Even if the sentence is not advanced, the message is alive. Communication comes first. Refinement comes later. Another key is repetition with variety. Do not memorize 50 words and then forget them. Use the same words in many small situations. While you walk, describe what you do. I go there. I come here. I think about work. I need more time. At lunch, speak in your mind. This food is good. I want water. My friend comes later. At night, review your day. I go home. I make food. I talk to people. The more your basic words travel through your day, the stronger they become. You may ask, what about grammar? Grammar matters, of course, but early fluency grows from repeated sentence shapes. First speak, then refine. First move, then improve. This is how confidence grows. Here is a powerful daily exercise. Choose 10 of your 50 words every morning, then promise yourself to use them again and again through the day. Maybe today, your 10 words are go, need, work, home, now, later, good, problem, friend, and how. Build many sentences with only these. How do I go there? I need to work now. My friend comes later. This is a good way. I have a problem at home. That small practice builds fluency faster than passive watching. There is one more habit that helps a lot. Do not translate every sentence from your first language. If you first build the sentence in your own language and then search for English, you become slow. Instead, start with the easiest English you already have. Maybe your sentence is small. That is fine. Small and fast is better than big and frozen. Another useful habit is talking to your environment. Speak to your room. Speak to your food. Speak to your bag. Speak to your schedule. Say what is here, what you need, and what you will do next. This turns English into a daily action, not only a study subject. You should also keep a tiny speaking routine. In the morning, speak for 2 minutes. At lunch, speak for 2 minutes. At night, speak for 2 minutes again. Only 6 minutes a day can start changing your fluency. And please remember this. You do not need to sound advanced to sound clear. Clear English is powerful English. Simple English that moves is better than perfect English that never leaves your head. So be brave enough to be basic for a while. That basic stage is not failure. That basic stage is training. Every strong speaker once repeated small words many times. You are not behind. You are building. And if you stay loyal to simple practice, your English will begin to feel natural. Fluency is not the ability to say everything. Fluency is the ability to keep going with limited words. If you can continue, ask, answer, repeat, and rephrase, you are already becoming a speaker. Silence does not build speaking. Imperfect action does. So please do not wait until you know every word for every topic. Start with the words that carry daily life. Start with words that help you ask, answer, need, choose, explain, and connect. When your basic English becomes strong, advanced English has a place to stand. Let me give you a real-life example. Good morning. I need water now. Then I make food. After that, I go to work. My friend is there. We talk about a problem. He wants one way, but I think another way is better. Later, we come home. We eat, rest, and talk more. It is not a big day, but it is a good day. Notice how small the words are, but the life inside them is real. This is exactly what I want for you. Not silent knowledge, living English. English that walks with you, eats with you, works with you, and grows with you. So from today, stop saying, "My vocabulary is too small." Ask a better question. How can I use my small vocabulary more often? That question will move you forward. Before we close, remember the main lesson. 50 basic words can be enough to start speaking English all day. Use them in patterns, repeat them in daily situations, and stop waiting for perfection. Small words used bravely can create a big change. And now, I want to ask you something. If you had to choose only 5 English words to use all day, which 5 would you choose? Write them in the comments. And if this lesson helped you, please subscribe to English Learning Booster for more simple and powerful English practice. Keep speaking, keep repeating, and keep your English alive every day.